Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Adrian, and so we have Kids Project. So we haven't did this in my channel so far. So I got these at Mexico, and my brother Derek, he's crazy. He wanted two, so I let him open two yesterday and today. Right now, he was crying. So, I have Bumblebee, and I have, Maxwell, I think, and I have the one with his hair bun. Okay, so, let's open it. So, this is how it is. Like, you just get that, and then you get the chocolate, so you have to open it, and then here's the little thing, so you have to, like, open it. I just opened it with my teeth. And then once you get it, then you start building it. So I have this one. So who cares if you don't need constructions? I'm just gonna build my own. Ugh. This is really hard. Okay. Snap right here. I think you have to attach it. Right. How do you do this? No, not right there. Okay, there. I think you guys can hear my brother crying. He's a crybaby. Okay. So put it right here. So I got the leg piece, the other one. Then let's put the other leg piece. So we just need another arm, yeah? Okay. And there's the robot. So he's really flexible, but he can't do it. He can't do the splits. Look, he barely not do it. So he's not kind of that flexible. So let's open the other one. Yeah. Okay, and then let's open the wrapper. Open my chocolate. What is this? Oh, snap, I need the construction. No, Bumblebee, and we need this one. Let's see, so where do we have to put this? Well, I got this at Prieta. It was cool over there. I really liked it. They sell a lot more things in here. How do you even do this? It's hard. Okay, so we have to put the... Do we have to put the legs right there? Okay, I got it. Oh my god. I got it. So it's like that. So let's go on to the next one. I didn't really put on the stickers. The stickers, it takes the time away. That's why. That's why I don't like putting the stickers. Ugh. Do we got the same one? I hope we didn't. Or I hate these Kinder Surprise eggs. Ugh. Oh, if I have time, then I will do the stickers. Ugh, can't put it. Stop. Okay, like that. Okay, it's like that. We have, So we have these two, and then this one. So I hope you guys like my video and subscribe and like my videos, and make sure you should subscribe down there and like, okay guys? So bye bye.